Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. Today I will make this on the Renko charts. However, I just want to give you a small update about our trades because you was asking about this. First is Aussie dollar, US dollar. We took this 4-hour chart short 1, 2, 3 here, and we had to wait around 1 week for price to finally get some movement. Of course, last week we had some news from US, and this what happened. And we still are in this position, and first target and second target were not hit, so we still wait. However, we are around the support zone here, so we will see. If price won't break this, probably I will manage my stop loss to break even, or I will cut by half, but I need to see how market will open next week, and then I will decide what to do with this position. If price continue, perfect. If not, we will try to or cut our losing losses, our stop loss, not losses, yes, but our stop loss, or we'll just make it for break even. Depends how market will open. And USD CAD, we also took this trade around this zone on the 1-hour chart here. Our first target was hit somewhere here, I think so. Second target still not. We had again some news last week which caused this momentum, and now price is not going down, but it's going up. So we will see if price will of course reverse and we will have continuation. Then perfect, we could manage our stop loss. If not, we will be stopped out, but still with the first target hit. Okay. So of course more information I will give you during our live trading room, but I just want to give you a short update about that. And before I start, also would like to invite you to my new website, which is dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. You will find link to this website in the description below this video. If you have any questions, just contact me by sending message. I just want to tell you that this program is mainly designed in the 3 parts, like technical, planning, and mindset. But still, because in my opinion, mindset is the key part in trading to achieve success, this is where we put more focus. Of course, in between we will discuss about technical and planning part, but I will show you how to deal with your core beliefs, with emotions, how to find them, how to identify, and how to work with them to make progress in the technical part and the planning part, and then generally in trading. So let's go to our charts. Let's see what we might get. Aussie dollar, US dollar is on the Renko charts also, because as you know, I don't mix classic charts with the Renko chart. So, or we do analysis only on the Renkos and we follow just the Renkos, or we focus on the classic charts. However, we also can mix in the classic with the Renkos, but only in terms of doing analysis on the Renko charts, and then just finding only entries on the Renko without analyzing and making top-down approach. Okay, so this is Aussie dollar, US dollar. We see 960, of course, like a weekly chart. We still get this down move here on the Renkos. We also see that price is making for us short 1 to 3. So we might to get what continuation. There is also this trend line here, so this trend line might be our target, but it's together with the previous bottom more or less. Okay, so this will be our next target if price decide to continue to go down. Now definitely it's pointing to sell. We have 480, which is like a daily chart. Yes, our trend line was broken, that's why we took this short scenario. And this is the support which I mentioned earlier. Yeah, so that's why I said that it will be interesting to see what price will do here. If we see breakouts, of course, continuation to this previous bottom, and then, of course, to this we want to see. if you go to lower settings, we will see this, and you see how Renko can filter out all the noise. This is 240 is like the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, we don't have this long-term range which happened on the classic charts. Yes, so so what we want to do here, we wait for, if you are not in this position, you wait for clean breakout, and then after retracements we look to sell, and of course we target this support zone. If price holds this support and won't break this and start to push up again, then we look for possible buy scenarios, and then of course we try to target previous stops. Why previous stop? Of course, this might be still like a long 1 to 3. Okay, so price maybe will follow, but if not, of course, in between we have first area of the resistance. Let me zoom out to see, to confirm. Yeah, we have something here. So this might be your first target. Yes, and then we have also small resistance area here. Okay, so those can be our targets after trendline breakout. We will see. If we go to M12, we have this, so we wait for breakout here, and we wait for breakout here. Okay, so this is what we would like to achieve right now. Swiss franc yen, it's pointing up on the weekly chart, but we are still around this previous top. Okay, as you can see, I think there is no history here that we are making higher highs, new higher highs. Let me just go to weekly, to classic charts to just confirm. This is monthly, yes. So we are making new highs. So there is no resistance. So that's why we have to use this. So it will be interesting to see if price is breaking that, okay, or we will get rejection and price decide to retrace. We have this area of the support here. We go to 480, and we see right now that price is struggling. Okay, so we will mark this range, and we will wait patiently for breakout. Yes, if price breaks, we continue to buy. If price breaks here, we look for sell scenarios, and we target this area of the support. This whole zone is our support, so this is like a lowest point. This is even stronger because we have more touches, so this is where we would like to target our trade if price decide to go down. Right now, if you don't want to wait, of course you can trade in this range. Price reached the resistance, so what you can look for is to try to sell, find short scenarios, target this support zone. Ideally, of course, how we can do it. If you start to see that price gaining momentum, then short scenarios are okay after retracements. Okay, but I would like to really get like maybe another retest of that, and then trend line, and after breakout, I would look for short scenarios. So this is what I would like to see as a confirmation. But of course, market can do everything. So if we see clearly that it's going down, then retracements and target this support and so on. If price reach this and you still want to trade in the range, you look for buys, and this might be your goal. Euro Aussie 960. It's interesting right now. We had, of course, this support. We have situation that it's still not so clear what price might to do, because we have this line. However, let me just price last time reacted, now it's going up. Okay, we'll see this more on the lower settings. So this might be possible continuation. Yes, we will see. Right now, like this 960, it's not yet for me like in the clean direction, because it still can react maybe on the previous top and make this. However, if you go to 480, we will see that price is making this momentum. Okay, so, and we have also this long 1 to 3, but we have to pay attention for this top. So we can have confirmation for price to go up, in my opinion, after breakout of this. Yes, as long as we are holding that, we have to pay attention, but we have opportunity to look for a long scenario. This is our next resistance. We have this long situation. Everything looks quite clear here, and I will remove the trend line. We see there was no momentum. Finally, we get something. We have 240, 1 to 3. So if you want to jump in here with the 110 pip stop loss, we can't, yeah, because our risk reward is not so good. Or you can jump in and manage everything here. So it's also possible. But I don't trade like that. Right now, we can wait for what? We have M24, so we wait for a retracement on the M12. We can jump in on the M12 if we like, or we wait for M12 combinations with the M6 or M3. Question is how you trade. Now we have situation that price is. I would like to wait for a little bit deeper retracement to look for the setups. We also probably have here setups with the M3. So this was M24 with M3, as you can see. This was the first, but it was before the trendline breakout. And then we had this. Yes, this would be your entry. This would be your stop loss. And this was good trade. This was M24 with M3 combination. So now we have to wait for the retracements, and I would be interesting to buy this and target previous top. Euro yen. So 960 is, we see that it's pushing up right now. We have this resistance. It's going up, yes. So let's go to now 480. 480 made for us this very nice, good looking long 1 to 3. As you can see here, reaction. And now price is pushing up. Previous stop is our next area of the resistance. If we go to 240, we were waiting for this even in our live room. We said that we wait for breakout. So finally we have this breakout. Price is pushing up. So now on the M12 we wait for what? For retracement, and we look for possible long scenarios. So we wait for continuation. So we wait for retracement, continuation, target resistance. If we look for lower settings here, we had also this setup after trendline breakout here. So we could look for long scenarios here, stop loss here. So in this case, around 30 pips, two targets would be hit before market close on Friday. So it's good. It's a winning trade. But if you don't want to trade because it was late, it was not so late. It was in the middle of the day, so you could still grab this, but always remember if to try to achieve the profits before sessions close on Friday. If you do like a day trading, if you do swing trading, it really doesn't matter. And now we wait for the retracements. We look for buys, target resistance. And the last is GBPUSD. GBPUSD is ranging generally. It doesn't seem to range on the 960, but if you go to 480, you will see. But because we had some news last week, maybe finally we'll get some direction. So that's why I want to show you this pair. We have this resistance, we have this support zone. And we always, I don't know if you remember, when we still have volatility, when we look for this pair, we said that our price will make this lower high and try to go down, okay? Or price will simply continue to retest the previous tops, okay? So this was our approach from the 960. There was also trendline breakout on the 960. Now it looks like a breakout, retest, possible continuation. So we will see. So if we go to 480, this is the range which I mentioned. Yes, so basically there was really nothing on this pair for quite a long time last year. Yes, so it was to be like a 1 month in the range. So maybe now finally we'll get something. So if price breaks this, we want to look for definitely short scenarios, and our target will be here. If price breaks this top, of course, this is our target. If we have continuation of the range, now you can still trade in the range. Maybe we'll get better momentum, because there were some opportunities here in this range to trade, but not so many. But of course, only as a scalping. Now this momentum was built, so maybe we will have it still, as you can see. So what we need to see, of course, breakout. Yes, if we get breakout, then you look for short scenarios. Here you look for long scenarios. And if you want to trade in the range, if you see that price is not breaking but is retracing, you can still look for short scenarios using this 1, 2, 3. Then possible continuation to this zone, and from this zone again, or if price go down, won't break it, stop it, then you can look for long scenarios and target not 36 CMA with area of the resistance, more or less 50% of this range. Yes, so this is also what you can do on the GBP dollar. I hope that we'll get breakout, so finally we'll get some momentum and some better trades than this. So guys, that's all from my side. Again, I would like to invite you to my new website, which is dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. Here, of course, I dedicate my time to help you with your obstacles in trading. If you are new or advanced, don't worry. If you are new, you also get access to the advanced trader program. So first you will learn using our academy, and then of course we will work together with everything. Like I said, this program is developed to help you make progress in trading and of course achieve your goals, and we will do it mainly by focusing on the mindset. So we'll start from this, and our whole meetings, I will be checking your progress, and of course we will learn about other parts like technical part and the planning part. But all you have, all information you have on this website. If you have any questions, of course, just let me know. Link to this website is in the description below this video. So thanks a lot. Wish you all a great Saturday, and hear you soon. Bye.